Hello everyone, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of the Moto G67 power smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance, whether we are going to face any throttling, hitting issues, etc. as well. So here we go. For this game testing purpose, we have set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz and the battery percentage right now is 54. And these are the games we got today here on our Moto G67 power smartphone. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here in the FPS meter, you can see we have selected the turbo mode for playing these games, and here is the FPS counter where you can monitor the FPS being generated by the device. So the graphics quality is looking quite nice here.
Fast for you?
And here you can see that we are getting 45 FPS constantly, 53, 50 FPS as well, but once again it moves back to 45 FPS. So you can expect around 50 FPS on average while playing Injustice 2 on Moto G67 power smartphone. So let's close it. And now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here the graphics setting, you can see very high graphics with max frame rate is selected. I can select ultra frame rate, but then the graphics quality is moving to low. So the maximum possible combination is very high graphics with max frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be, and after that I will also check the FPS generation with ultra frame rate and low graphics. So the graphics quality is looking pretty nice, lots of details. The 3D graphics rendering is also quite good. If you have a look on the gun, you can see how much detail we are getting on the internal component as well as on the ground, the cracks on the bricks and everything. Once again, you can see how sharp is the graphics here, really good. And in terms of FPS, we are getting 60 FPS here, as you can see. So that's quite nice considering this is a budget smartphone and we are still getting 60 FPS on very high graphics and max frame rate.
We've taken the lead. UAV online. Enemy in sight! Target down! Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. killer drone deployed. We've taken the lead.
So as you can see, there is no frame drop or lagging is happening. Everything is nice and smooth. And we are getting 60 FPS constantly here.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Target down!
Be careful. Enemy Hawk X3 deployed.
So now I have selected the low graphics with ultra frame rate, and let's see whether we are going to get more than 60 FPS or not. So now we are getting 90 FPS here on our Moto G67 power smartphone. The gameplay is very smooth, but the graphics quality is reduced for sure, not too much details. And you can see the smoothness on the objects are gone as well. The edges are very sharp. The gameplay is way smoother.
Enemy contact.
94 FPS was showing as well. So I just wanted to give you an idea that how good and capable our device here is when it comes to Call of Duty Mobile, and you can see it can run the game at 90 FPS as well.
We've taken the lead.
Enemy in sight! Target down!
So I'm just gonna leave it here. Let's close it. And now let's play Asphalt Legends Unite. So here in the graphic setting of Asphalt Legends Unite, you can see that I have selected the 60 FPS. That is the maximum FPS you can select for our device here. Visual quality I have selected custom because then only I was able to select the highest possible setting for all of these additional advanced settings we got here. So this is the maximum possible settings combination on Asphalt Legends Unite for Moto G67 power smartphone. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So the graphics quality is looking quite nice. Good amount of details we are getting here. So there is no frame drops or lagging happening. Everything is nice and smooth. And as you can see, we are getting 60 FPS here. Once again, 60 FPS is what we are getting, so that's quite nice because the graphics quality is really good. So let's close it, and now let's play the last game for today, and that's BGMI or the PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default balanced graphics with extreme frame rate is selected, HD with extreme is available, HDR with extreme frame rate is available as well. If I go to Ultra HDR, then the frame rate is moving to Ultra. If I go to Super Smooth, then still the maximum possible FPS is extreme only. So the maximum possible combination is HDR with extreme or Ultra HDR with Ultra. So I'm going to play the game with extreme FPS and HDR graphics to see how much FPS we are going to get. So here you can see that we are getting 60 FPS. That's quite impressive considering the fact that we are playing this game on very high graphics and extreme frame rate combination. So once again, you can see the graphics quality is quite nice here. We are getting good amount of details, and 60 FPS is what we are getting here in the game widget. So once again, that's quite nice for sure. So as you can see, no frame drops or lagging is happening. Everything is nice and smooth while playing BGMI or the PUBG Mobile on our Moto G67 power smartphone, and we are constantly getting 60 FPS here, so that's quite nice as well. So I'm just gonna leave it here. First of all, let's talk about the temperature. So there's no heating issue because the device is pretty much at the same temperature at which we have started playing the game. But here in the game widget, you can see it's at 34 degrees Celsius. We started the games around 28 degrees Celsius, so it's not too high. And of course, we can't feel any heating sensation on the device like the frame or the back panel. And talking about the battery percentage moved from 54 to 48 after playing all of these games for 35 minutes. So you can expect around 10% reduction after playing all of these games for an hour, and that's quite impressive once again, because considering the fact that we got a 7000 mAh battery, the battery performance is looking quite nice, and you will get around 9 to 10 hours of screen on time with high-end heavy graphics gaming on Moto G67 power smartphone. So if you're a gamer, you will be happy with the performance of the device for sure, especially considering the price segment and the hardware specs of the device, as the gameplay and everything is quite nice and smooth. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.